What is going on, everybody? I'm Christian here, and today I'm going to go over a real example of me using Instagram influencers to drive traffic to my Clickbank offers. So I'm going to go over the good, the bad, the ugly, and basically break down everything that happened and how much I spent and whether or not I made any money. So let's get into it. For this challenge, I used the website Clickbank to find my affiliate offers. So the one that I did for this particular video is I did, let's see here, self-help. And if we sort it by gravity, I did this one here. It's called His Secret Obsession. If we click it, yep, this is it here. All right, so after I got my affiliate offer, I then went to Instagram and I started searching for spiritual pages, couples pages, dating pages, and you're going to find accounts that are related to your niche. So for this one being His Secret Obsession, it's basically about girls who are trying to figure out how to get a guy more into them. So once you find the page or the account, you're going to DM them and say, hey, how much do you charge for a paid promotion? And you're going to have to DM at least 10 people, I would say. And with 10, you might get one. I DM'd about 20 people and only got 3 responses. So after they respond, you're going to ask them for their next availability. You're also going to ask for a screenshot of their analytics if you can. Not everybody wants to do that, but basically those analytics will show what country the traffic's coming from, a little bit of the engagement, male, female, and you can get a little idea of what their demographic is. And so you also want to just go to their page, look at their posts, make sure their posts are getting engagement, people are liking it, people are viewing the videos, etc. And as long as they have good engagement, you should be all right. So once they say, okay, hey, for a link in bio, a 24-hour post, it's $20. You say, okay, would you do a link in bio and a 24-hour post for $15? And just try and negotiate. All they're going to say is no. So once you agree on a price, you're then going to send them your ad. So whether that's like a picture, for this one I used a picture. You're going to send them a picture. You're going to also give them the ad copy, which is just like a little description, basically the description for the photo. And then you're also going to give them your affiliate link. Now, you're going to generate that hop link through Clickbank, and you're going to want to run it through like bit.ly or tinyurl, and you're going to want to shorten that link when you give it to the influencer, so that way it's just a better looking link. It's not this giant string of numbers and letters. So after you do that, if they agree on the time, you agree on the price, you're then going to pay them for it, whether that's PayPal, Cash App, everybody's different. You pay them, and then usually it's going to be the next day or whatever day you do it for. A lot of times just the next day. So that's pretty much how using Instagram influencers for paid promos work. Now we're going to go over basically how much I made and what the results were. All right, so here are the results. We got 102 people clicked on the link. We had, it says 12, but we actually had 8 people click to check out. And we had $0 in sales. So I ended up making nothing. So for this week, you can see here, we did 0, and then the day was 0. So I made nothing using these Instagram influencers for a paid promo. Now, that's not to say money can't be made doing this. This is obviously my first time doing it. I could have maybe chose a better influencer. I could have double checked the engagement a little bit better, and maybe gone for pages that had more followers. So these were on the lower end. I think one had like 120,000 and the other one only had like 80,000. So they were on the lower end, and they were also cheaper. So I just wanted, I'm being completely transparent with you guys. So this is exactly how much I made there. I'm not BSing you. This is a real example of what can happen when you use Instagram influencers for affiliate marketing. I'm obviously going to try again. And if I do, I'm going to make another video about it. But I just like being 100% transparent. A lot of people try things and they ended up failing and they just give up. I'm not going to give up. I obviously know there's money to be made using this. People have done this before and they've made plenty from it. All right, so I ended up paying one influencer $22 and the other influencer $14. And the numbers were a bit weird. So after the currency exchange and the PayPal fee, I ended up paying $24.16 for one and $16.86 for the other, which was a total of $41.02. So I'm negative $41.02 on this little challenge that I tried. Still not that bad. I mean, it wasn't that much money spent for 102 clicks. That's pretty good. So that pretty much sums up this video. I appreciate you guys staying this long and watching it, and hopefully you found value in this. And like I'll have a few links below for different things. There's one in there for the 15-day challenge. If you're interested in affiliate marketing and you want to get started, but you just don't know where, it's a great place to start. Other than that, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.